Hi everyone, my name is Emmy. I'm a fashion designer, pattern maker. I'm a seamstress too. We are based in South Africa, in Johannesburg, Sandton. We are a CMT company. We help many designers. We make and manufacture their clothes. We are now open to show our young designer how to sew from scratch to finish. We need to help the beginner how to construct a garment from cutting, making, cleaning and ironing. And then you present to your customer or you wear it if it's your own. We are open for any type of question. We are open to help the person who needs our help. The nice thing is we are here in Johannesburg. You can contact us by following us in our YouTube channel, on Instagram or our Facebook. Our company name is Romis Fashion Pti Ltd. Thank you so much. I wish this can help many young ladies to improve. Thank you so much.